Hello everyone and welcome to this video series based on your textbook. Today I shall tell you the summary of the short story. The name of the story is The Gold Watch, written by Panjikara Rafi. Let us start. Sanku was a poor factory worker. He always thought over the thorny problems of his life caused by his poverty. In another 3 days, he would get his pay of 13 rupees for 13 days, but he had to pay his debt or loans. He had to pay 4.5 rupees for purchases at the store. There would be a balance of 8.5 rupees. He had to repay the balance of 5 rupees along with interest of the fund. He had to pay at the tea shop to Ali for rice, bedis, and other odds and ends, house rent, small loans, and to the fishwoman. He mentally added up the total amount that he needed. He had other needs. The balance of 8.5 rupee could hardly suffice. If he did not pay his debt and loans to the persons for whom he had taken, he would have to face ugly situation. He would be surrounded as a stray dog is surrounded by rowdy boys with sticks. He could not sleep. He turned and tossed in his bed. The more he thought, the worse he felt. His mind went to the gold watch of the engineer, which he used to take off in the office and place on the table near the window. He thought that the office was deserted during the lunch. He thought why he should not steal it when there was nobody on in the office. But cowardice struck his heart. He might be caught. Thus there was vacillation in his mind whether to steal or not to steal. There was a great mental conflict whether to steal or not to steal. But again he thought he would sell it. It would fetch him 20 rupees, out of which he would pay off his debt and loans and meet the needs. He would be able to live in peace. He felt relief and fell into a light sleep. Next part of the summary of this lesson I shall tell you in the next video. Thank you.